Putting first humans. Technology to the first person. To think of the environment. Caring about the environment. ENE System. Condensate is an inevitable byproduct generated by a compressor in the process of sucking and compressing air, but it causes corrosion to production equipment and defects in manufactured products. Without an effective drain system for such condensate, it can lead to significant air loss and also environmental pollution if not treated and discharged by facilities that conform to applicable standards. ENE Systems has developed products for preventing damage from condensate based on its leading technologies and know-how of drain and treatment systems. Condensate Drain System, Auto Drain Trap. Drain Master, attached with an AI sensor, accurately detects any type of condensate generated from a compressing process using cutting-edge technologies. It discharges condensate with no air loss, ensuring high economic efficiency, and has semi-permanent life because of its outstanding corrosion and abrasion resistance. As to the principle of Drain Master's mechanical performance, condensate accumulated in the housing is detected by a level sensor, which triggers operation of a valve, and this allows compressed air in the upper part of the diaphragm to be vented, creating a state of atmospheric pressure. Then, condensate is discharged through the drain line by the pressure of the diaphragm of the valve. Later, the sensor blocks valve signals, which allows air inflow and creation of balancing air in the upper part of the diaphragm. The diaphragm is closed automatically by the spring pressure, preventing loss of compressed air. If condensate is not discharged for 60 seconds due to scale, etc., the situation is notified to a user via an alarm signal, which initiates the automatic restoration mode for normal drainage. Condensate Treatment System, Oil-Water Separator. An oil-water separator is used for treating and purifying condensate contaminated by oil from a compressor. The capacity of this system can be increased just by replacing a filter, which greatly cut down costs for condensate treatment. Our maintenance program provides easy purchase of consumables and product management. The oil-water separator brings oil-contaminated condensate to a pressure relief chamber, which removes pressure. First, oil is separated from the collected condensate by means of gravity separation from pre-tank, and the floated oil is discharged through the oil drain line. Emulsified condensate is filtered out through several filtering steps and purified before being discharged. The Drain Master and USU breaker used together can bring considerable improvement to any existing condensate drain and treatment systems. Emulsion splitting equipment for effective separation. Emulsification splitting equipment is a system of effectively breaking down and purifying condensate severely emulsified due to oil from a compressor using special chemicals. This product has won trust from our customers in terms of both expenses and efficiency. After severely emulsified condensate goes through a pressure relief chamber, floating oil is separated from the condensate by means of gravity separation in the first, second, and third pre-separation tanks. The floating oil is discharged through an oil line, and separated condensate is taken to an agitator by a suction pump for separation by reaction. Here, it is mixed with chemicals by the agitator. Separation and decomposition of emulsion takes place at the same time, and flocculation, flock in the form of wool, occurs within the agitator. The flock is collected and filtered out by a filter bag so that only clean water is discharged safely through a lower drain line. ENE System has developed technologies meeting the needs of our time by Drain Master, a drain system for oil-contaminated condensate, oil-water breaker, oil-water separation system, and Envisol, emulsion splitting equipment. We will diligently continue R&D efforts to save energy and protect the environment through our leading condensate drain and treatment systems. condensate treatment system that cares about humans and environment. ENE System.